I am an old woman, named after my mother. My old man is another child who's grown old. If dreams were like thunder, lightning was desire, this old house could have burnt down a long time ago. So make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to. Believe in this living, just a hard way to go. There's flies in the kitchen, I can hear them buzzing, and I ain't done nothing since I woke up today. How the hell can a person go to work in the morning, come home in the evening, have nothing to say? Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go. Believe in this living. Hey, hey, hard way to go. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons and Natasha. And that's an old John Prine tune. John Prine? Is that how you say it? John Prine? I don't know. You have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and I will see you again. GOFUNDME, Minowa, Hawa. That was great, you guys.